Hey, it's Nick with Couch Guitar Straps. I'm here to show you how to install your new Dunlop Straploks. So in the package, you'll get 2 sets of strap buttons, a locking retainer, a locking shank, and a washer. The tools you'll need: needle nose pliers and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. So to start, you're gonna have to remove your existing strap buttons. After you remove your current strap buttons, you're gonna install the Dunlop strap button. If you need to drill a little deeper, use a 7 64" drill bit to get to the length of the Dunlop screw. Next, we're gonna install the washers and strap retainer system into the strap itself. You're gonna go ahead and grab the front washer and lock wheel, put them together through the front part of the strap. The new strap, it's a little harder, but the right elbow grease, you can get it all the way through. Next, we're gonna install this washer into the back part of the strap. This locking shank is going to go on the back part, and that's where the needle nose pliers come in. So you're gonna snap the locking shank into place. Now you're gonna have to press the locking button to let it go into the grooves of the strap button, and it'll snap into place. That's how you install your new Dunlop Straploks.